Good morning, YouTube. Happy Sunday and a special happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful women out there that are moms. We love you. I wanted to get on here this Sunday morning, to talk to all of you guys about leads. And this morning I was responding some emails of just agents reaching out to me looking for leads, looking for training, looking for guidance. But regardless of everything that they're looking for, one of the most common issues for new agents is having capital to buy leads. It's like every time I interview an agent, whether they're looking to come and work at our agency, which is not very big, or they want to buy leads, the number one concern is the cost coming out of pocket. And if you're new, it can be challenging to justify $3,000 to $5,000 your first month, second month, and so on and so forth. I get it. But this is a business. And in most cases, you're being contracted independently, 1099. So it's up to you to pay for your leads or to figure out how to generate leads. Nowadays, there's so many ways to do it. YouTube, you can do your own digital marketing, but all that comes with the cost. And a lot of agents, again, struggle with getting started. And I get a lot of agents say, other than the financing of week to week, is there any way that, you can take this out of my commissions if I went and worked with you? Well, for years, I would have to say no. But that's changed recently. We have an ability right now with my partners at Senior Life where you can join Herrera Insurance Marketing exclusive with Senior Life. Again, exclusive. So you can't have appointments with no other carrier. And we would be able to finance your leads, plus provide all the training and all the goodies. The way the financing would work is that we would send you your leads every week, our inbounds that most of you guys are looking for, real-time customer initiated inbounds. We'll send them to you. We'll provide a CRM to you. This is our CRM. It has nothing to do with Senior Life. But Senior Life has been nice enough for me to let me service those charges on your behalf out of your commission. So, hey, if it takes you a few days before you start seeing sales and you start making commissions, it's okay. We'll keep sending you leads as long as you keep showing up. And eventually, when Senior Life's commissions checks come through, because they pay you on bank draft, not issue, then Senior Life will collect that lead cost on our behalf, obviously with your permission. This is a great way for you to jumpstart your career, especially if you don't have the cash for the first 50 that we charge our client, whether it's an agency or an agent. We charge them for the first 50 just as a test. And then after that, we finance week to week. If that don't make sense to you, if you don't have the money, but you have all the desires in the world of making it, then this can be a great fit for you. Some of you might say, well, man, I don't want to be exclusive to Senior Life and Herrera Insurance Marketing. Well, hey, then you got to keep on doing what you're doing. But if you can see the value, then you can definitely write a ton of business. For me, I wrote the majority of my business with Lincoln Heritage, Senior Life, and a couple other carriers. If you got a right partner that backs you up, you can definitely grow your sales volume, your block of business. And let me throw this out there to you. I know a lot of carriers. And if you take a look at Senior Life's total package, if you're concerned about rates, they got you covered. They just rolled out the Platinum plan, which is literally the cheapest rate out there. And I'll show you guys an example of that. If you need a GI product, a modified 2-year waiting period, they have so many different products to fit the type of health that we deal with on a daily basis that I just don't really see why you would go to a different carrier if you're worried about price or you're worried about truly getting people approved and a policy in their hand. And I can tell you what, Senior Life, they deliver, they pay their residuals, they pay their claims. I've represented them for over a decade. In fact, I opened up California for Ron and Senior Life in 2011. And within the first 90 days, I had $100,000 in annualized premium. So things at Senior Life have gotten so much better over the years. The tools, how you write your business, that you can definitely make a career by placing Senior Life product when you look at all the policies and the criteria that they have. So if you're watching this, you want to get on the phones, you want to work my inbounds, but you don't have the cash, give me a call. I'll get you contracted with Senior Life. I'll hook you up with a sweet deal. I'm currently at 135% contract with Senior Life. Thank you. And we can definitely work something out. From 135, you figure out what it is that you need, and I'll be happy to negotiate with you a contract that's fair. But more importantly, we'll start sending you inbounds within 48 hours after your training, and you can just focus on going to work. And as those commissions start hitting your bank, we start collecting on the leads that we provided to you. This is not a good fit for everybody, but I will tell you that more and more people that call me up on a daily basis are having this issue. So what good is it to have all these carriers and you're representing all these big IMOs if you can't kick off your business because you don't have money for leads, or you're waiting around to collect commissions to buy leads? That feast and famine doesn't work. You got to go all in 100%, and it works. One more thing I want to add. This financing that I'm talking about, if you're not going to come with the right mindset of going to work every day, don't even bother. If you're looking at this thing and saying, oh, I'll show up as a part-time agent, they'll finance me leads and I'll be with Senior Life, I ain't going to hire you. You can go work for somebody else at Senior Life. You must be committed Monday through Friday, 8 hours a day, working live inbounds. You can commit to that, you're going to make money, we're going to make money. Simple mathematics. Let me show you how easy Senior Life's interface is today. I'm so proud of the work that these guys have been doing. And let me show you. All in one place, and you really don't need a bunch of other products if you focus on Senior Life. This is a lead-driven business, so the more leads you have, the more sales you make. But check this out. This is your interface. So when you pick up the phone, you say, Laurel, in the final expense department, who do I have the pleasure of speaking with? Your prospects on the other line, chances are watching your ad, whether on YouTube, Facebook, TV, they're watching it. Immediately, you opened up, and I'm going to go ahead and start inking the app. Simple, 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 simple. All the states that you're appointed in that you're able to sell will show up. Simple. And you're taking them through that lead. All the questionnaires populate as you're going right into the underwriting questions when you pick up the phone. An amazing platform. And what happens when you go through that basic underwriting, these are all the policies that are going to show up for this particular person. And look at all these options. So you don't have to go nowhere. If you're so concerned about price, then my goodness, then go with the platinum price, the platinum protection. And check that out. The platinum protection is the cheapest rate out there in America, and the underwriting is amazing. And here we go. $17,500, and this also includes the legacy plan. $17,500. 65-year-old male. And let me compare that with RNA. 65. And do 17,500. $92.61, which also includes a $4 membership fee for legacy. So that rate's under $90. Royal Neighbors, $102. So again, you have all of the options, whether you want to offer the cheapest rate, you got the super preferred. And the great thing about super preferred that I love to see is that now you get a full commission. When I rolled out super preferred years ago, we didn't get a full commission on super preferred. Now we're seeing a full commission. So you definitely have options from the cheapest rate to a GI product. Again, easy process to sign up with Senior Life. You don't have to call in to do a third-party interview. You simply take the recording right over the telephone. You fill everything out. Once you have all their information, you hit record on the interface here. It hits record, takes everything, you're done. I've written thousands of applications with Senior Life. And I can tell you, probably more than anyone out there right now in the space, that they pay on their claims and they pay their commissions. And with them allowing us to charge your commissions and allowing us to send you our inbounds, call me up. I'll be more than happy to help you grow this out. There's amazing opportunity right now, and don't hold back. If you don't have the resources, you don't have the money, but you have the desire to learn and grow, set down your briefcase, your ego, and come and work with us. But you got to come with the right mindset. In that first week out the gates, if I see that you're lazy, we'll just pull the plug, because there's no room for lazy people here. Because that first week out the gates is what's going to set the rest of your career. It's going to set the pace. So take me up on it. Senior Life, great product. Legacy is an amazing value-added product that I'll tell you what, after all these years, my retention's in the high 80s. My residual check is healthy, and every single month I see my money. I'm going to post a video in the content section here of a review that I did on Senior Life, and just check out Legacy. I break it down a little bit further. But again, if you're sitting here on a Sunday counting your dollars and cents, call me up. We'll finance you and get you contracted. Peace.